My name is Patrick. In this video, I should tell you how to prepare for CAT 24, a DILR section. It is starting from February 24. 4 video series. The first video was general preparation, second on con, third on DILR, fourth on verbal. We'll have a lot of more videos. It will help you prepare. But let's start with the DILR section of CAT 24. What to do? So broadly, we said that you need to try to complete the syllabus of May 24. So February to May 24, 4 months, try to complete the syllabus. Okay, also do 1 month revision. During the month of June, focus on revision. So 4 months to complete the syllabus, 1 month for revision. And then maybe from July to November, focus on practice plus mocks. These are the broad areas how to complete your syllabus. So Feb to May, syllabus, revision and practice. So during first round, that is you have 121 days or 17 weeks. So prepare for 6 days, maybe 1 day you can take a break. For DLR, approximately 1 hour should do, half an hour to 1 hour every day should do. It is not that you have to do quant and DLR both on 1 day. It is possible that you take two days of quant and 1 day of DLR. That is also fine. So every 3 days, maybe you can spend a couple of hours on DLR. Perfectly all right. So depending on the time available, you can spend more time. I'm just saying minimum time required, assuming that you're working or you're in college, etc. So during this 102 days, try to focus more on logic as compared to DI. Do DI, but also focus on logic. The idea is to get the basic fundamental type of questions correct. I mean, you have blood relation, matrix-based questions, arrangement. Get those basic questions correct. And then you can look at complicated questions at a later stage. Because what happens, students normally jump directly to CAT level sums, but the CAT level sums, to understand them, you need your fundamentals to be in place. So in that case, look at these fundamental questions. I mean, these are not actually CAT, but CAT questions are based on these questions. Same way you have DI. Venn diagram is there is also DI based and logic based both. So you will find them in both the places. I mean, technically it's a similar aspect, but you will find them in both the places. So there is a thin line dividing the DI and LR. If you look at the questions that come in the exam, there are data, there is logic behind it. So it's a combination of the two that comes in the exam. So being comfortable with each will help you to solve the combined aspect of it. Again, all these days which are there, focus on practicing the question. So 4 days of bar chart, practice more and more bar charts as far as possible. That should hopefully help you to understand the fundamentals of it. Again, focus on easy sums right now. We can look at tougher sums at the second stage and third stage. How to prepare? As I said, focus has to be practice as far as DLR. It is seen that DLR, the more you practice, the more you become comfortable. To take a few sets of DLR and solve every day. Okay, in the time frame that you mentioned for it. Also practice puzzles like Sudoku, Kakuro, Hirado. There are different kind of puzzles. To spend 15 to 20 minutes on solving puzzle. 1 puzzle a day is sufficient. Also 10-15 minutes on calculation. Same thing that you do in quant. I mean, same calculation can be done here. Simple 2-digit calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, factorization should suffice. So practice calculations every day. Okay, so this is how you prepare. Focus on practice. I hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos. The next video will be on how to prepare for verbal. For now, you can start with DLR. We'll come up with more practice videos that will help you practice questions. Thank you.